From the 4-yard line after a loss of 1. Fake to Clark. Myler rolls, throws at a goal line. Caught by Clark for the touchdown.
Put him in.
Second and goal coming up. 1-yard line. Quick toss. Theo Redding for the touchdown. His third touchdown reception of the year.
Davis comes in motion. They fake the orbit sweep and wide open in the end zone for a touchdown. It's Lowell Patrone, his third touchdown of the season.
5 of 7 on the day passing. Now Myler has the first down and more into the secondary, and Smith causes a fumble. Who's going to get it? Pirates have it. Ty Smith comes up with his first forced fumble of the year. First and 10, 21-yard line, first turnover of the day. They said that Myler doesn't turn the ball over. Well, he did there. Bahar going deep for Owens. Touchdown! Thomas Owens with his 85th career regular season touchdown reception. Allen Henry in as the blocking back for the push, and Myler will keep it himself for the touchdown, along with Redding. Bahar looks left, now goes to Redding, complete for the touchdown. It's his second touchdown reception of the day. Clark on the near side. And they're looking Williams Way now down the middle, complete touchdown. Patrone for his second touchdown catch of the day. Bahar with a one-step drop. Now lofts one, caught, touchdown. And Myler wants to throw wide open is Davis for the touchdown. 30 on the clock. And Kenji goes down the middle, intercepted, picked off by Ransom. Kevin Ransom will pick him off at the 5-yard line. Bahar with a one-step drop. Goes to the goal line, caught for the touchdown by Thomas Owens. And they push Myler right into the end zone. Myler with his second rushing touchdown of the day. Gonna run forward, keeps the clock moving. Positive yards, and that will do it. Green Bay gonna win this game by a score of 47-35 over the Pirates.